How to download and use the Observer wallet. The download link can be found in the description. But once you have the wallet downloaded, you'll right click, extract all, open up the Observer 1.0 folder, open bin. You'll see several options in here. You're going to want to open up Qt wallet. And the default directory should be fine for most users, which will be located in your username, app data, roaming, OBSR. Once you do that, the Observer wallet will start synchronizing with the blockchain. Of course, you have to allow access through your firewall. At this point, you'll see that it has started synchronizing with the network. Take a few minutes to do that. Meanwhile, we can go to Tools, our Settings, Options, and we're going to want to uncheck the Z Observer Auto Mint. Okay. You can also go to Tools, Wallet Configuration, open it with Notepad if it prompts you like that. You will put in enable zero mint equals 0 file save. Close out of the wallet. For it to shut down fully. It's usually at this point that I will also create desktop shortcut. Open the wallet back up. And you'll see this little red dot down here. Shows that auto mint is disabled.